Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we continue our series in JavaScript. In this series, we answer some questions that you may face in your interview, questions related to JavaScript. If this sounds interesting for you, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video, and let's just start into it. What are first-class functions? So in JavaScript, functions are considered as first-class citizens. So basically, which means they are treated as first-class objects or first-class variables. This concept has several implications and features, but in conclusions, we can say that functions are treated as variables. You can add to them, you can return a function, you can accept a function as an argument, you can add it to the object, you can do a lot of things of it. So let's just first talk to like functions can be stored in a variable. So let's just give you an example. So I will create a function called const greet. So I'm creating a variable. It will be equals function, and this function takes like a name, and I will cancel the log hello name, yeah, for example, this one, and I could call greet with John. Okay. The second thing, functions can be passed as an argument to other functions. So functions can be passed as arguments to other functions. Basically here you can pass functions as an argument to other functions. So let's call the function called apply, and this one will have like take func as an argument and value, and we return whatever func is doing, and we give it value as an argument. And maybe I will have like a square function, like let's call like yeah, let's add this square function, and this square function will be added as the func, and we'll just have like const result function, const result, which will equals apply square and 10, and we cancel the log the results. If we cancel the log the result, I guess we will got because it's 100, it will be, yeah, it's 10, it will be 100. Third thing, functions can be returned from other functions. Functions can be returned. Okay, that's good. That's good. So functions here, like for example, if I create a function called create multiplier, and this one will has like a factor, and I will return another functions that takes this factor and takes the number and divided by it. So let's just create for example, just create like a double, and for example triple. Okay, and basically if we cancel the log, let's just try to cancel the log this. If you cancel the log these two variables, you will get these values. The other thing that we want to talk about, that functions can store in data structure, can store in an object or in data structure also. That's no, let's call it in data structure, in data structures. So if are created, so basically you can store functions in arrays, objects, or other data structure. For example, I can store it in an array. So yeah, for example, I can do that. I can do it like that. Also, if I cancel the log, for example, my array of 0, and I just did it like that, I will get hello, and you can see this is the function that get hello, and the other one takes word. I could create an object like const function object, which will equals will have like a greet. Okay, let's just let's ignore name, and we have greet function hello this. Okay, no, let's put him back. And we can just console.log greet with let's have this name directly here, and let's delete this keyword because we want to focus only on the function. And if I console.log functions greet of John, I will get hello John. I guess fifth, functions can be assigned as object properties. Functions can be assigned as object properties. So for example, if I just give like const person equals, yeah, let's say like that. Or I just, for example, let's call this dot name. Let's add this dot name. And I said like person dot greet, I'll get hello John. So here the concept of first class function is fundamentals and aspect of JavaScript flexibility, and allows for powerful functional programming techniques like passing function as callbacks, creating a higher order functions, and more. So in conclusion, in JavaScript, functions are first class objects. First class functions mean when functions in that language are treated like any other variables. For example, in such a language, a function can be passed as an argument to another function, can be returned by other functions, also can be assigned as a value to variable. So that's it in conclusion. So that's it for this video, and I hope you like my content. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will never miss a video, and see you in future problems.